Amaravati, April 1, at least 2 persons were killed and 15 others injured in a road accident in Andhra Pradesh's Anantapur district on Friday. The police said a Telangana State Road Transport Corporation (TSRTC) bus, which was on its way from Bangalore to Hyderabad, rammed into a stationary truck near Miduthuru village in Anantapur's Peddavadugur mandal. The bus and truck drivers were killed in the collision while 15 others were injured. The police rushed to the spot and launched a rescue and relief operation. The injured were shifted to a private hospital in Anantapur. The deceased were identified as G.V.Reddy, TSRTC bus driver, and truck driver Sakatram Yadav, a native of Bihar. The police registered a case and took up further investigation. Meanwhile, in another accident in Kurnool district, 2 persons were killed and 8 others were injured. According to police, the accident occurred when a car hit a road divider after the driver lost control of the vehicle near Nannur in Orvakallu mandal. The car was on its way from Tirupati to Mahabubnagar in Telangana. The injured were admitted to a local hospital. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.